Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have two open workbooks and editing enabled. Start by choosing the source sheet and the exact cell or named range you need. Use a live formula when you want automatic updates versus a one-time import if values should freeze. Once decided, click into the destination cell and type equals, then navigate to the sourcebook and select the cell. Excel writes the path for you. This first step establishes a stable reference so later updates remain predictable. With the basic link created, make it robust. Use named ranges or tables so references survive row inserts and deletions, and consider index/match when you need dynamic lookups. If files move, switch between relative and absolute paths by adding $ in the reference. This prevents broken links. Once done, manage multiple links via data edit links to update, change source, or break links. These adjustments ensure your connections remain accurate as data and structure evolve. Finalize by refreshing and testing. Use data refresh or set automatic refresh intervals for external connections so values stay current. When delivering a static report, break links to convert formulas into values, which prevents accidental changes. If you see #ref or broken links, make sure the source workbook path and named ranges still exist, then relink through edit links. If that fails, restore a backup copy. This troubleshooting tip restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.